In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mobile app using Grok AI. First, open Grok in your web browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Starting from a signed-in session ensures your work is saved and you can return to it later from any device. Next, start a fresh conversation. Click New Chat so the assistant focuses entirely on this mobile app project without mixing in previous topics. A clean thread makes the planning more accurate and easier to track. Now describe the app you want to build. Be clear and specific about three things: the purpose, the key features, and the target users. For example, you might say, create a mobile app for tracking daily workouts with reminders. Or, build a note-taking app with categories and search functionality. Mention essentials like a login system, reminders, or notifications if you need them. The more context you provide, the better Grok can tailor the plan. Press Enter to submit your request. Grok will generate a structured blueprint that outlines the app's layout and screens, key functionalities, and the user flow from onboarding to daily use. Around this point, if you want to try it yourself, you'll find the official Grok website link at the top of the description, along with a download link if you prefer the app. Use those to access Grok directly and follow along. Ask Grok to suggest interface and design ideas. Request specific visual elements like buttons, menus, and icons, plus color schemes and typography that fit your audience. Have it propose screen layouts, spacing, and common states, such as empty lists and error messages, so your design feels complete and consistent. From there, get no-code implementation instructions. Ask Grok to generate step-by-step build guidance for platforms like Glide, Adalo, or Bubble. It can map out data structures, screens, actions, and workflows, and explain how to connect features like reminders or notifications using each platform's tools. Copy the blueprint, the UI suggestions, and the implementation steps into your notes or a project document. This becomes your single source of truth as you move into building. Then open your chosen no-code platform, paste in the content, and follow the instructions to assemble your app screen by screen. Test as you go, and if you get stuck, return to the same Grok chat and ask for clarifications or revisions. That's how you create a mobile app using Grok AI step by step. Thanks for watching.